Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show how to install the Adobe Reader on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or in any other PC you can use it. So let's open the Google Chrome guys. Whatever browser you use, just open that up, and in the search bar you need to type here download Adobe Reader and press enter key. Now once you press here the enter key, you need to go to this free PDF so that you can open the PDF files and you can do other tasks on the Adobe Reader as well. So open the first link from the official website of Adobe. Now in here guys, do not just click on this option, otherwise you will get like other services, MFA scan. We don't need this, so you need to untick these. You might have seen other options here, but just untick all of them and just click on download Adobe Reader now. So this is the correct way to download the Adobe Reader. Do not click any other, and from here you just need to click open here, or you can go to the download and then click on run it. Now once you click on run, it will prompt to ask you the permissions, so click on yes option and just wait here for some time. So let me pause the video here for some time guys, so that I can save your time. After waiting some time, this has been installed now, so you can click on this option, finish option here, by unticking this option. Okay, now the Adobe Reader has been installed successfully guys. So let me open the PDF here. It is redirecting to website, so close that. Now this is a CCNA guide and I want to open this into the Acrobat Reader. So by default, when I right click on it and go to its properties, so we need to change its extension. It is going to Microsoft right now. So in order to change that, we need to click on change. Now from the list you can see the new Adobe Reader here. You can choose other app as well, WPS and all, but I'm choosing here the Acrobat. Click on OK and click on apply and click on OK. Now you will see the Adobe Reader, it will open in the Adobe Reader. OK, and just double click on it. Now once you double click on it, it will open in the Adobe Reader. So this is how guys you can open the any document in the Adobe Reader and install it. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe and also share with anyone else who need it.